Today's college admissions word of the week is rolling admissions.
Have you noticed that none of our word of the week episodes are ever actually one word?
You know, that bothers me now.
Anyway, what are rolling admissions?
Okay, so traditional colleges have a traditional deadline where you apply to that deadline. They have an entire pool of applicants, then they select their favorites through that process. Rolling admissions, on the other hand, is whenever there isn't necessarily a specific deadline, it's more of like a range. So if you apply within that range, then you're good to go.
Okay, so what type is better?
It depends on the person and the situation. That being said, the benefits of rolling admissions, you don't have, let's say, like a strict deadline. So it takes off the pressure of having, because you have a lot going on senior year. Mm-hmm. So rolling admissions can be helpful in that sense. Also, if you apply early, you can have a higher chance of getting into the college.
Okay, that's great. One less deadline to worry about.
Yeah.
But there have to be cons, right?
Okay, well, here's what I will say about that. A lot of people, whenever they apply rolling admissions, think that scholarships are also rolling, when sometimes, depending on the college, it isn't. So sometimes the scholarship application portals do have a set deadline where you have to turn everything in. So you got to be really aware of that if you're applying to a college with rolling admissions.
How do you know about this?
I follow KD College Prep.